Whether or not my camera made it, and it definitely melted a little bit. Maybe savable, may not. It was on a 4x4 wooden post that this was steadying, and I don't know. The post burned up, and I can definitely see the sensor on the camera is melted. Chip is probably recoverable. That might be interesting. But in any case, this is a real tragedy, because this is one of our water tubs. Bill brought this back up in the late 60s, early 70s, drove all the way to Oregon to get these water tubs for the animals, and this one had a plastic top on top of it that caught the rain, and it just had some openings for the animals to drink out of. But this one is clearly toasted. Damn shame. I came and cleared this earlier this year. You can see some fresh stumps that I cut, and didn't help much. If I could have cleared more. Completely burnt here. Where I cleared, it's dead but brown. One of our best tubs is gone.